In February 2013, the town of Gibsons received a development application for the George Hotel and Residences. The development proposes to build a hotel with a conference center, condominiums, an extension to the waterfront trail and pier, marina moorage, a waterfront restaurant, and renovations to an existing fuel dock. Following an initial staff review, the applicant acquired more land and provided a new design in the fall of 2013. This revised design has been reviewed in detail in the past 2 years. Council identified 3 main topics for the review process: form and character, economic review, and aquifer protection. The proposed height of the buildings has been a topic of debate amongst community members and council. The Advisory Planning Commission supported the conceptual design with some recommended improvements while identifying the height as a concern. The town hired a modeling specialist to show how the building's mass would look from 6 different public viewpoints. After considering the project's updated design and the visualizations, Council endorsed the form and character on April 1, 2014. The town hired a land economist to review the impact of the project for the town's bottom line. The review concluded that the project will almost certainly make a net positive fiscal contribution to the municipality. Items identified as benefits to the community are $156,000 for the Affordable Housing Reserve Fund, $100,000 for the Community Amenity Reserve Fund, $300,000 to $350,000 annual property tax revenue, renewal of adjacent aging town infrastructure, over $1.3 million revenue in development cost charges for new infrastructure, a new waterfront walkway, new tourist destination, and a net gain in local employment. Council received and discussed the economic review results on September 30, 2014. Protection of the Gibsons aquifer has been a key part of the review process because the aquifer provides the town's drinking water. Additional geotechnical investigations by the applicant, as well as peer review by town consultants, have resulted in design changes. The parkade, buildings, public plaza, and waterfront walkway designs have been raised, and this has minimized proposed excavation on the property. Council discussed aquifer protection on May 12 and on July 21, 2015, and identified a requirement for further peer review once a more detailed design becomes available after rezoning. The George Hotel proposal would require the following bylaw changes. The OCP amendment bylaw would allow for additional stories beyond the 3 to 4 stories outlined for the area in the Harbor Area Plan. The Harbor Area Plan already allows for exceptions on a case-by-case basis. The zoning bylaw amendment would create a site-specific zoning regulation dividing the site into an area for a residential building and an area for the hotel building. The zoning bylaw also identifies land for the waterfront walkway and the proposed marina. A development agreement would serve as a contract with the developer, confirming housing and community contributions, as well as a number of next steps if the project is approved. On July 28, 2015, Council gave second reading to both bylaws. All staff reports, presentations, and application materials are posted on the town's website throughout this review. To get informed, you can visit a town-hosted open house on Thursday, September 24, 2015, where town staff, as well as the applicant's consultants, will be available to answer questions. To have your say, please forward your comments to Council and/or attend the public hearing on Thursday, October 1st, starting at 7 p.m. at the Elphinstone Gym at 840 Gibsons Way. During this hearing, Council will receive comments from the community regarding the proposed bylaw changes. Please make sure you provide your comments before or at the public hearing, because Council cannot receive additional comments after the public hearing. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your family and friends.